Hi everyone, we're at day 14 and it's pattern. Oh, I did find my little morning sunshine tea bag and I just want to put that on. That's the one I've been having lately. Cute. I think I might fill in this with some collage. Now I've got one of these craft paper pad. Right way up. It doesn't say. I was just going to look for what the actual weight of the paper was. Feels like about 90. Anyway, there's lots of patterns, so I thought I would just tear some. A couple of each sheet. So there is some wonderful things in here. I even like a bit of that. Fine detail. That's probably enough for a collage. I love this. It's got a real sort of space vibe. It might be a bit minimal, so I might put the other patterns on the top. Now I've chosen this neutral, not for any reason, just I was unpacking a box and found it and thought, oh yes, I love that. I love that bit of that pad with all these different designs and patterns, and it's really wonderful. Anyway, I think it goes nicely with the green of the envelope there next to it. Long strip. Okay, I think I'll tear that bit off. Everyone's going well with their little journals. It's a bit of fun. I do love this. I think I'll pull out this bit in the middle. It's very computery, space agey. Put this here. I'm thinking a little bit just double securing this with a bit more washi on this side. This will bring in a bit of blue and also tie in this bit of paper here, and then it goes all right with the green. Okay, I've just got out one of my French pastel pencils and I am just going to do a little bit of mark making here to add more patterning. Also going to make some patterns around the edges. Doodle patterns. Love a bit of a doodle. Around here. So patterning can come in all sorts of different ways, whether we are using paper, whether we're doing some doodles, whether we're doing mark making, which is also doodles. This is an interesting one. It's like a and that'll make some interesting patterns. What about a hashtag pattern? So multiple ways of doing mark making that can add patterning. Love that. I feel like I need a little feature on here. Just to break it up. I find text is also a pattern. There we go. Okay, so that's my little day 14 pattern, mixing up different types of ways of doing pattern, either by using the washi tape, by using some text, by mark making with a pen, or you know, any multimedia. So I've used the charcoal, the pastel pencil, circles, lines, dots, lines, and then stamping with a more obscure stamp, so you get a repetitive pattern, even the hashtags, and background papers. So there you go. All right, well, I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.